तुम मेरे बहुत प्यारे हो। यू आर वेरी डियर टू मी। यू आर वेरी डियर टू मी। वह यहीं कहीं होगा। ही मस्ट बी हेयर समवेयर। ही मस्ट बी हेयर समवेयर। अंधेरे में तीर मत मारो। डोंट जंप इन द डार्क। डोंट जंप इन द डार्क। टीवी चालू करें क्या? शैल बी स्विच ऑन द टीवी। शैल बी स्विच ऑन द टीवी। नहीं, अभी मत करो। नो, डोंट डू इट नाउ। वह आज आ रहा होगा। He would be coming today. He would be coming today. वह मेरे आगे था। He was ahead of me. He was ahead of me. वह तुमसे लंबा है। He is taller than you. He is taller than you. लंबे बाल तुम पर अच्छे लगते हैं। Long hair suits you. Long hair suits you. वह कमरे में मेकअप कर रही है। She is applying makeup in the room. She is applying makeup in the room. वह उससे मिलना चाहती है। She wants to meet her. She wants to meet her. उसे बहुत काम है करने को। She has a lot of work to do. She has a lot of work to do. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है। I have not done anything. I have not done anything. तुमने उसे मुसीबत में क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you leave him in the trouble? Why did you leave him in the trouble? मैं उससे बात किए बिना नहीं रह सकता। I can't help talking to her. I can't help talking to her. मैं ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन नहीं रहता हूँ। I don't stay online for a long. I don't stay online for a long. पैसा उसके दिमाग पर हावी हो गया है। Money has got on to his mind. Money has got on to his mind. वह आज ही तो आया है। He has come today itself. He has come today itself. आपके नेचर ने मुझे दीवाना बना दिया। Your nature has mesmerized me. Your nature has mesmerized me. आप सच को झुठला नहीं सकते। You can't falsify the truth. You can't falsify the truth. इतना भी क्या गुस्सा करना? You can say, why to have so much of anger? Why to have so much of anger? तुम मेरी बात सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? मेरे स्कूल के सामने एक मॉल है। There is a mall in front of my school. There is a mall in front of my school. तुम अकेले कमरे में क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing alone in the room? What were you doing alone in the room? तुम मेरा जरा सा भी कहना नहीं मानते। You don't heed my words a bit. You don't heed my words a bit. वह अंधाधुन मेहनत कर रहा है। He is working hard like anything. He is working hard like anything. पता नहीं क्या हो गया है मुझे। Don't know what's wrong with me. Don't know what's wrong with me. आजकल मेरा कुछ करने का दिल नहीं करता। I don't feel like doing anything these days. मैं वहाँ पहली बार जा रहा हूँ। I am going for the first time there. I am going for the first time there. कहने और करने में बहुत फ़र्क होता है। Saying and doing are two different things. तुम्हारे कदम बहकने लगे हैं। Your steps began to stagger. Your steps began to stagger. उसका फ़ोन नहीं लग रहा है. His call is not connecting. His call is not connecting. आप मुझे उल्टा समझ रहे हो. You are getting me otherwise. You are getting me otherwise. उसे खुद खाना बनाना पड़ता है. He has to cook food by himself. He has to cook food by himself. उसके पेट में कोई बात नहीं पचता. He can't keep a secret. He can't keep a secret. यह कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो जाएगा. It will be okay in a couple of days. It will be okay in a couple of days. वह टकला हो गया है. He has gone bald. He has gone bald. अब कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा है. There is no way left now. There is no way left now. अब तुम्हें यह करना ही पड़ेगा. Now you'll have to do it. Now you will have to do it. मैं अपने शब्दों को वापस लेता हूँ. I take my words back. I take my words back. दोस्त होते किस लिए हैं? What are friends for? What are friends for? वह कुछ भी करवा सकता है. He can get anything done. He can get anything done. क्या इतना काफ़ी है उसके लिए? Is it enough for her? Is it enough for her? क्या यह पीने वाला पानी है? Is it drinking water? Is it drinking water? कितनी बार बोलोगे एक ही बात? How many times will you speak the same thing? पूजा करते समय शोर मत किया करो. Don't make a noise while worshipping. Don't make a noise while worshipping. उसके बिना मेरा दिल नहीं लगता. My heart is lonesome without her. My heart is lonesome without her. इस परफ्यूम की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. The fragrance of this perfume is amazing. किताब गंदी मत करो. Don't make the book dirty. Don't make the book dirty. कहाँ गायब हो गए? Where did you disappear to? Where did you disappear to? गेट खुला रखना. Have the door open. Have the door open. मैं तुरंत आ रहा हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. ज़्यादा मासूम मत बनो. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. उसे यहाँ मत लाना. Don't bring that here. Don't bring that here. आप किस्मत वाले हो. Lucky you. Lucky you. संतोषी सदा सुखी. Satisfaction keeps you always happy. आजकल वह खोया खोया सा रहता है. Nowadays he stay lost. Nowadays he stay lost. मैं तुम्हें 4 दिनों की मोहलत देता हूँ. I am granting you 4 days grace. I am granting you 4 days grace. क्या यह पिछले साल की फ़ोटो है? Is this the pic of last year? Is this the pic of last year? मैं तुम्हारा काम करवा रहा हूँ. I am getting your work done. I am getting your work done. यह काम किसी और को दे दो. Serve this work anyone else. Serve this work anyone else. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond by my capacity. It is beyond by my capacity. मैं कल देर रात तक पढ़ता रहा. I kept on studying till late night yesterday. मैं उसकी बैंड बजा दूंगा. I'll set him right. I'll set him right. मुझे ट्रॉफी मिलते मिलते रह गया. I slightly missed the trophy. I slightly missed the trophy. आपके बाल लंबे हो गए हैं. Your hair has got long. Your hair has got long. जाओ जाकर बाल कटवा लो. Go and have your hair cut. Go and have your hair cut. लंबे बाल तुम पर अच्छे नहीं लगते. Long hair doesn't suit you. Long hair doesn't suit you. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. Long looked for comes at last. एक सप्ताह हो गए उससे मिले हुए. It's been a week having met him. It's been a week having met him. मैं उसके चक्कर में मत पड़ो. Don't rely on him. Don't rely on him. मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ ना. I am your friend, isn't I? I am your friend, isn't I? लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. Rod is the logic of fools. Rod is the logic of fools.